Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, we are focusing on an X pattern. This is a really nice pattern that only uses diagonal double half hitch knots. We will make two X patterns, each uses 6 strands of rope. Starting on the left, tie 2 diagonal double half hitch knots moving down into the right. Move to the right and tie 5 diagonal double half hitch knots moving down and to the left. With the center rope, tie 2 more double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Repeat the same process with the other 6 strands of rope. For your work to be symmetrical, tie the middle knot down and to the right. I tie the X's in the middle here. Depending on what sort of look you're going for, you can do this as well, or you can leave them separate. We have created one row of the X pattern. Create another row using the same process. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.